Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you the new Gt5 seasonal event with 400 performance point World Compact cars. For this I used my stock 1999 Toyota MR2 Spyder. It's at 383 performance points, I believe 144 45 horsepower. No mods to this car whatsoever, not even suspension, nothing. Tires are stock at Comfort Soft, but I was restricted to those. So this is my 8 laps around Autumn Ring Mini, and already there I've moved up into 11th place. There are 12 cars in the race. You should be able to work through most of the cars pretty quickly. Hell, I even lapped somebody toward the end of this. He just got into 10th. I'm pretty sure the other variants of MR2 would work too, like the O2 or the MRS or whatever. And then we're coming up on a Nissan March. That's taken care of. These tires are not really good, so if you do use this car, you might slide it a little bit. Don't worry, this car doesn't have that much power. It's not something that's impossible to control, but just so you know. And now we're coming up on a Citroen C3, which from the front looks a lot like a previous generation Dodge Grand Caravan. I don't know why. We've got a Toyota Vitz right there. I believe that's the RS 1.5. No driver aids were used here, except I believe a skid recovery force, which they turn on and you can't turn off. I would have loved to have run without it, but apparently people are incapable of driving 150 horsepower cars without skid recovery force, so that needed to be turned on. But everything else is off. Peugeot 106 there. Another 106 and a Daihatsu Storia. Yeah, I got real sideways there trying to avoid running into the back of that Storia. Got a Honda Civic EG up there. EG taken care of. And we're going to be going for the lead, which is a Civic Type R. It's the EK. And into the lead. Sideways there. there's some lap traffic we're coming up on. There's that XB I passed earlier, and the Demio. And the March getting lapped as well as they drift by. And that was the end of the race.